Hello everyone, today I am excited to show you how I make my fenugreek infused hair oil. This is going to be for fast hair growth, and also I'm going to show you how I make my fenugreek hairspray. So this is going to be for like a leave-in spray, or you can use it as a hair rinse or hair treatment. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So all of the things you're going to need today: you're going to need your organic fenugreek seeds. So I purchased this on Amazon. So it's organic seeds. And we're going to use the oils of choice. We're going to use vitamin E oil. Got this at the beauty supply store. And coconut oil, which I've already melted in my microwave. You're going to need a mason jar, which I have. I have a bowl and I have a strainer. So, and also you're going to need some water. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to take our fenugreek seeds, we're going to pour that into a bowl. That's about good enough. And so what we're going to do, we're going to start off with the infused oil. So we're going to take fenugreek seeds and pour that into the jar. Add a little more. Okay. And then we're going to take our coconut oil. We're going to pour that into the jar. Now they said the coconut oil or olive oil are the best oils to use when infusing to, to make your nice fenugreek hair oil. So we're using olive oil, and then we're using coconut oil, and I'm going to be applying this vitamin E oil. So once you fill the oil all the way up to the top, you're going to allow this to settle for like 24 hours, or you can let it, infuse for over a week. That is definitely going to allow it to ferment. So, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let it stand for about a week, and I'll be using this as a wonderful hair oil for my hair. Okay, so the benefits of this wonderful fenugreek infused oil is that it's going to promote fast hair growth. It has vitamin A, C, B6, folic acid, and minerals like potassium and calcium and copper, and many other minerals. It's definitely going to moisturize and strengthen the hair, reducing hair loss and adding shine. So other things that do: prevent premature graying of the hair, and once again reducing dandruff. So you definitely want to let this infused oil soak for over 24 hours until the water turns brown. So it's going to darken. You're going to apply it twice a week or as needed. So that completes the fenugreek hair oil infusion when I've added coconut and vitamin E oil. Okay, so guys, you're going to take the seeds and pour them into a pot. Reduce the heat, medium, until the seeds turn brown. And actually it's releasing a syrup smell, so maple syrup. So I've already let it pretty much steam for about 3 minutes, and it's looking pretty toasty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be taking some water that I've already pretty much boiled. I'm going to pour that into the pot. And what I'm going to do is I am going to reduce the heat And we're gonna be letting it pretty much boil for about 15 minutes. Alright, so you can see that the water is nice and brown, so we're gonna turn the stove off. You want to get a strainer, because we're going to remove the seeds. Alright, so now that we have our water, we have our fenugreek water, we're going to add some more things to this wonderful hair treatment. It could be a spray-on treatment, or you can actually just apply it to your hair and, you know, massage it in the scalp, because it's definitely help, like I said, with scalp conditions, treating and healing the scalp and healthy hair. So we're going to be adding a little glycerin, because this is packed with, you know, a lot of vitamins and protein. So I've taken a half a teaspoon of glycerin, and I'm applying that. Okay. We're going to stir that. And lastly, we're going to be using our essential oil, Geranium. It smells like roses. It's 100% pure geranium. So this is just for fragrance. So I'm going to add 1 to 2 drops. So that's pretty much it. You're going to apply this to your hair, and now you have a wonderful leave-in treatment. You can spray in your hair twice a week, or you can use it as a treatment. You can leave the treatment in for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse it out. Apply your shampoo, follow up with a conditioner. And I meant to say the other benefits of this fenugreek. What it does is it actually helps thicken the hair as well. It has vitamin K. So those were some of the other things I meant to say. Also, the glycerin is going to help moisturize the hair, since you're adding protein into the hair. Of course, it's going to harden. So just add the glycerin to kind of balance it out, to soften it back up. So you leave it in and soak it in your hair and scalp. And also the fenugreek, you can use it as a tea. You can actually use it as a tea, and this has wonderful health benefits as well. And what the tea will do is help flush out toxins, help with promoting weight loss, actually helps promote control blood sugar levels, decreasing the insulin resistance to the body. And other vitamins it has is B6 and B12. Complex vitamins aid in healthy skin and hair. B6 will restore hair to its original color. Okay, so I'm just going to pretty much take the spray. I'm going to run it through the roots all the way to the strands. Get it down into the hair strands, and then go into the scalp. And you just massage it. And we're just going to take the hair and just twist it. So each section I do, I'm just going to twist it. And that's pretty much it. And I'm just going to pretty much just leave this in my hair overnight. The next day I will be pretty much shampooing it And then, you know, styling as usual, but I'm just gonna do an overnight hair treatment and scalp treatment. And that will end this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to rate and subscribe and thumbs up this video. As always, take care. Have a wonderful day.